Okay, so the next question is give the uses of freon 12, DDT, carbon tetrachloride, and iodoform. If you see, this question is from polyhalogen compounds. Mostly students neglect these questions. Polyhalogen compounds theory, we'll do it later, but they don't do it and they skip. But examiner knows this and they give question. It is a very important question, topic also, even though it is easy, but you don't have to neglect it. So let us see what are the uses and the structures of each. Okay, first one is iodoform. First, the structure is like this, three eyes. So you can just see here one carbon is here. Okay, one iodine here, one iodine here, one iodine here. Okay, CHI3. This is the formula of iodoform. It was earlier used as antiseptic whenever you have any, you get any wound and all. We apply antiseptic. And antiseptic property are due to liberation of free iodine and not due to iodoform itself. Due to its objectionable smell, it was been replaced by other formulation containing iodine. If you see earlier, whenever they used to get hurt because of your playing accident, so they used to apply one bandage and on that had something yellowish color it was because of iodine. So earlier they used to apply iodoform, but the smell was very intolerable, irritating. So they replaced it with some other thing, but it still have iodine in. So the pink, red color, not reddish yellow color, what you get is because of iodine. So this is iodoform. Next is carbon tetrachloride. So the name itself says CCl4. This is the structure. Earlier and now also it is used as industrial solvent for oil. It is a non-polar compound. Okay, it does not have any poles, and the dipole moment is also zero. So solvent we use it for oil. These all, if you see fat, resin, they all are non-polar compound. And also in dry cleaning we use CCl4. CCl4 vapors are highly non-inflammable. Thus CCl4 is used as a fire extinguisher under the name pyrene. So this is very important for competitive exam. Pyrene, which we use for fire extinguishing, contains what? So it is CCl4 because non-inflammable. It is very easy to remove fires and all from here. Okay, next, it is used to manufacture of refrigerants and propellant for aerosol cans. If you see the cans which we use normally, in soft drink, not soft drink, fragrance, deodorant and all, they're known aerosol cans. In that it is used. Refrigerants also we use, propellants also we use, where just increase the speed of the spray and all, and they had a non-polar nature, so it does not react with the chemicals given in it. Next is freon 12, CCl2F2. This is the structure. It is also known as chlorofluorocarbon, which is responsible for ozone hole. Is most common freon in industrial use. Is again used for aerosol propellant, refrigeration, and air conditioning purpose. But now this CF chlorofluorocarbon is banned because of ozone hole depletion. Moving on, very important, DDT. First of all, they ask you the full form: para, comma, para dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Now, if you see the name, you are not able to understand. But if you see the structure, this is the para, this is the para dichloro. Okay, diphenyl, this is the diphenyl trichloroethane. If you see, this is trichloro and one and two carbon here, so that's why ethane. This is also banned earlier. Now also it is banned. The use of DDT increased enormously as worldwide basis during World War II, primarily because of its effectiveness against mosquitoes that spread malaria and other insect like damages crops. Okay, so it was a very good insecticide that time. However, problem related to extensive use of DDT began to appear in late 1940s. Many species of insect develop resistance to DDT. It was also discovered to have a high toxicity towards fishes. DDT is not metabolized very rapidly by animals. Instead, it deposited and stored in fatty tissues. If the ingestion continues in steady rate, DDT build up with animals over time. So because of that, what happens? DDT also, is responsible for extinction of America's bald eagle national bird also. So later on, they ban it because it was a very good insecticide, but later on it became dangerous also for animal because it was not easy to digest. So this is the normal answer for all of them. So I hope you understood. Thank you.